Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start a 14-day Shopify trial and pick the basic plan at $9 per month after trial. Create a clear niche and a simple logo using free tools, then write a 2-sentence tagline that explains your product value. Choose a memorable store name, buy a .com domain for about $4, or use the free Shopify domain temporarily. Configure payments. Enable Shopify payments and one backup gateway. Install 2 to 3 essential apps, Oberlo or DSers, a reviews app, and a shipping tracker. Set tax and shipping zones next. Focus on products with 30% to 70% markup and at least 50 monthly sales on marketplaces. Use niche selection filters, lightweight under 1 kg, price between and 0, and non-infringing designs. Validate with AliExpress orders, supplier ratings above 95%, and shipping times under 20 days. Order samples to confirm packaging and quality. Create persuasive product pages with 3 to 5 high-quality images, 200 to 300 word descriptions, and 3 clear benefits. Start with 10 to 20 winning SKUs and test with to 0 daily ad budgets. Install Facebook Pixel and set up Conversion API before running ads to track purchases and events accurately. Build creative, 1 15-second product video, 2 static image variants, and 3 headlines to a /B test. Run cold ad creative tests for 5 to 7 days with to 0 per ad set daily, and measure CPC, CTR, and add to cart rates. When an ad hits ROAS above 3 and stable CPA, scale winners by increasing budget 20% every 48 to 72 hours, and duplicate ads while monitoring frequency and margins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.